What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? It is your boy Audiozzz back at you again with an unboxing video. Today we're going to be unboxing a Skar Audio RP-350 amplifier. It's a 2-channel little small amplifier for your car. Without further ado, let's take a look at this little box here and see what's going on. On the sides of the box, actually, it's kind of cool the way they set the box up. Because on the sides of the actual box, they show what the actual amp looks like, what the speaker terminals, the power terminals will look like, what the RCA cable or RCA ports and all the, tuning knobs and all that. But, it lets you know what it all looks like before you actually even open up the box. And when we open up the box, here we got the beautiful Skar RP-350. It is actually really small, but it's got a lot of weight to it. Not like a lot, but it's got a decent weight to it versus other amps that you would see around this same size or even really price point. Because I think it's around $100 after taxes and shipping from Skar Audio themselves. But here we got a little manual. Doesn't show you anything really crazy. It just tells you how to wire in the amp, what the actual terminals, the ports, what all that actually does. We got here, we got the subwoofer control knob. It's actually a little decent weighted too. A lot of this, the materials in this box are decently weighted, which makes it really nice. It makes it feel really nice quality. The tuning knob actually it's like a aluminum metal-y kind of knob to it. And on the back of it, it actually has an aux port to it. So you could wire in the actual aux cord, which is this really long wire that I'm about to pull out here. You can wire this directly from the back of the actual amp to the back of the subwoofer bass control knob. And it will let you adjust the actual bass right there after you already tune the amp and set it up wherever you're going to set it up. Because I know most people like to set up their stuffs in, the trunk or somewhere away from, actually being accessible when you're driving and stuff. So that's why they give you the bass control knob, so you can just put that right there and, go on about your day. This amp actually is RMS rated at 350 watts at 1 ohms, and I think it's 250 something like that at 2 ohms, and I think it's right around 175 at about 4 ohms. So it's a decent little amp. It's not too crazy, but it'll definitely get the job done in a little daily setup that you have. And for a lot of other amps that are in this price range and, price points, I would say, to be honest, this amp is definitely one of the more reliable. I would say, honestly, there's not really much in that price range that really, competes very well. Overall, you're looking for a daily setup. This is not a bad amp. $100, can't really beat it. The RMS watch, it's true and accurate, so I would suggest this amongst any other amp, really. If you did like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you got any questions about the amp or anything, audio related, just shoot a little comment down in the, video, and I'll get back to you. Y'all have a great day. I'll see you on the next one.